it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Came out here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with Silk Boss Media. So we see the whole heap of things are going on in the media with Silk Boss from the with him baby mother them. I should say baby mother. And the comment section I beat him bad. Let me just say this. I'm here to react to the music. I'm not gonna sit here and beat him or say nothing negative towards him because I don't know what's gonna be behind closed doors and I don't know what's going on overall in them life. I don't know. I'm no business. I'm here for the music. You see me? So I'm not gonna sit down and criticize him as a father myself. You know what? So we're gonna jump in the one here and hear what the G office say.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Yeah, so let's be honest. Just being honest. Just being honest. So this is like the Let's Be Honest logo. This is creative. All right, cool.
Welcome to Just Being Honest podcast, the baddest podcast, the hottest podcast around town. Where tonight we have the
So basically, at Jeffrey invitation I go on here. So baddest podcast, maddest podcast, never the saddest part. Baddest podcast, maddest podcast, never the saddest podcast. That you should have said, Mama. But we can see what I go on still.
Being Honest podcast, the baddest podcast, the hottest podcast around town. Where tonight we have the most infamous Silk Boss here in the house with us. Silk Boss.
Right now I feel like collect mortgage for my name. From 2021, them I live on it.
Man say from 2021, them I live on him name. So I feel like I collect mortgage treat because them people here live rent free. Silk Boss career have a lot of controversy in it, and every time something pop up like this, him always make a song with bang. Him always make a bad song. You see me? Where people can say, yo, that you really can put in problem in the music. And that is what we like an artist to be. You see me?
From 2021, them I live on it. Everything silk, this and silk, that you know. Youngest soldier, God bless you know. Let me tell about the media, all of them are idiot. Non-progressive elements, we sit down and a brief chat. Shit, but
I'm not in that category. I am not in that category. I am not a vlogger. I am not a blogger. I am a reactioner. I react to song. Yes, I do reactions and reactions only over here. I don't get into people's business. I'm not one of those guys. I'm not. I promise. So he's not talking to me. He's not talking to me.
the media, all of them are idiot. Non-progressive elements, we sit down and a brief chat.
So the man said the whole on an idiot. The man whole on a fool. Non-progressive elements sit down and a chat. Chat to no. I chat to go and behind closed doors. I chat to people business I only never did it. Yeah. Him say that.
Youngest soldier,
Him say that.
God bless you know. Let me tell about the media, all of them are idiot. Non-progressive elements, we sit down and a brief chat. Shit, but I not really facts. Oh, that a prima fact.
Them sit down and a chat. Shit, but I not really me like him do the line that a while ago. I thought the line finished and they must start a new line. No, at the same line, they must continue. I like it.
God bless you.
Continue.
Let me
Tell about the media.
All of them are
Idiot.
Non-progressive elements, we sit down and a
chat.
brief chat. Shit, but I not really facts. Oh, that a prima fact. Something else we give for chat. Them comments we not really fam.
In comments, him not read comments. So all on the comments, when I bash him, he must say it are going at deaf ears.
But I not really facts. Oh, that a prima fact. Something else we give for chat. Them comments we not really fam. Him out a good one me do and them not highlight it. That's why me strap up like seat and tell Jah guide me.
The man said the amount of good way him do. And only not highlight it. But as soon as something negative followed up, only start talk, only start black about it, only start go live about it, only start the one bag of ray about it, and not highlight the good way I do. That's what the G say. Not me. We gotta start again. Let's go.
Welcome to Just Being Honest podcast, the baddest podcast, the hottest podcast around town. Where tonight we have the most infamous Silk Boss here in the house with us. Silk Boss.
Right now I feel like collect mortgage for my name. From 2021, them I live on it. Everything silk, this and silk, that you know.
Yeah, but that's a true.
Youngest soldier, God bless you know. Let me tell about the media. All of them are idiot. Non-progressive elements we sit down and a pre for chat. Shit but I not really facts. Oh that a pre me for. Something else me give for chat. Them comments me not really fam. Him out a good what me do and them not highlight it. That's why me strap up like seat and tell Jah guide me. Talk where them want talk cause of my life this. Bad mind suck your mama who no can't style me.
Can't style it, G. Up on the mother the boss I no. Up on the mother silk boss I no.
Talk where them want talk cause of my life this. Bad mind suck your mama who no can't style me. Come me in on my soul and a chill. Tell it like I'm in a care what you think.
Tell us me no flag I know. Me in on my soul and a chill. Tell the vlog I no care what you think. I reach vlog him attack. Who him attack? How run the story? Me don't know who come. Like me say I'm not that guy. I'm not that person.
Come me in on my soul and a chill. Tell the vlog I no care what you think. Up on it told me a cruise and a drink. I'm like me a live, then I see me a kid.
Up on it told me a cruise and a drift. Then I'm like me a live. Which vlog him attack though?
Come me in on my soul and a chill. Tell the vlog I no care what you think. Up on it told me a cruise and a drink. I'm like me a live, then I see me a kid. Me in on my soul and a chill. Tell the vlog I no care what you think. Up on it told me a cruise and a drift. I'm like me a live, then I see me again.
Boss I show you say him a living best life, him a jiff.
Up on it told me a cruise and a drift. I'm like me a live, then I see me again. Everybody just attack that and attack this. Pan the media still boss become a target. Me reach out but the girl she a crosses. I tell my board say she and the youth a package.
So him explain the reason why him not pay the youth there as much attention as he should have been. Him just explain it in a line right this a while ago. Let's hear it again.
Everybody just attack that and attack this. Pan the media still boss become a target. Me reach out but the girl she a crosses. I tell my board say she and the youth a package.
Man say him reach out fit try to be a father that he knows that he can be and he know that he should be. But the girl that said to him say, yo, if she not sleep with she, if him not sleep with she, if him not fuck she, if them not dead together, him can't see the youth. Basically, that's what the G say. He must say she and the youth is a package. That's what she tell him. That is what is being said here, guys.
Everybody just attack that
and as a G like myself, yeah, me have youth out the same way. Me know the situation go. Me know it.
This pan the media still boss become a target. Me reach out but the girl she a crosses. I tell my board say she and the youth a package. But me no want her the youth alone me want sing. So stop lying and tell the truth, parry.
Man say him no want see her the youth alone, him want see her the youth alone, him want deal it, cause him know a female youth that. Him know a female youth, cause me say Fame just put up the picture, him do a vlog where they put up the picture between Bray youth and my girl youth. Don't know your name, mom, so don't go for me. And the youth them favor, the youth them look like twin. Big up Fame as well. G, real G.
But me no want her the youth alone, me want sing. So stop lying and tell the truth, parry. She was a one night standing at the pocket. Now you the pan the media, the try blackmail the hardest for me.
He was a one night stand. She was a one night stand. So still, you know you was one night, you know you condom with one night stand as a star if you're one night stand. As a star.
But me no want her the youth alone, me want sing. So stop lying and tell the truth, parry. She was a one night standing at the pocket. Now you the pan the media, the try blackmail the hardest for me. In on my zone and I chill.
She still boss on him blood clot cock up foot dancer. Yo, stop to the dancer. You hear me tell you? Stop to the dancer. Stop to the dancer. You hear me tell you? Yo, the boss I say, yo, she dip on the media now. I try blackmail the artist. And she was a one night standing at the pocket. Yo, is this facts? Is this true that Sid Boss is talking? We don't know. We don't know what happened between them two. We don't know. So it's wrong for us to sit here and talk and speculate and bash Silk. That is my take on it. Like, we don't know what's going on. What them phone calls are like, what them texts are like. Cause some texts get leaked. Not all texts get leaked, I'm sure. You see me? What is the build up towards this?
So stop lying and tell the truth, parry. She was a one night standing at the pocket. Now you the pan the media, the try blackmail the hardest for me. In on my zone and I chill. Tell the vlog I me don't care what you think. Up on the tour me a cruise and a drift. I'm a life me a live. You don't see me a king. Me in a me zone and a jail. Tell the vlog I me don't care what you think. Up on the tour me a cruise and a drift. I'm a life me a live. You don't see me a king. If you don't want the truth, me I'm gonna talk it. You don't come like the people in my market. Get a story and twist it how you want it. Show me the proof when me the soul and the youth party.
Man, so don't come like the people in the market, brother. When you get the story and twist it to how you don't want it to make him look bad. That's how the GSA writer so Lord, market people get blamed for something now.
If you don't want the truth, me I'm gonna talk it. You don't come like the people in my market. Get a story and twist it how you want it. Show me the proof when me the soul and the youth party. And the baby innocent, so me no quarry. But from when me the soul and the youth party. And the baby innocent, so me no quarry.
Baby innocent. The baby is innocent, right? In all of this shit here we go on social media, or between the baby mother them, and between you and Silk Boss, or between whatever. The youth innocent in all of this. Youth never asked to be here. Beautiful little baby boy. I'm doing the best to make sure I'm gonna put it right, dog. Please.
Show me the proof when me the soul and the youth party. And the baby innocent, so me no quarry. But from early out, me tell her me no want it.
So from earlier you tell her say you don't want the youth. But you're coming here, bro. And she breed. Alright, cool. We get that part there. Condom can bust too. Alright, cool. We get that part there too. My thing is, you have some girl out there, no matter them not believing in certain things. Them not believing that should them youth. Especially for them first youth see me, them not gonna do it, bro. You have some youth, you have some girl where adamant so them not gonna do that shit. You see me?
And the baby innocent, so me no quarry. But from early out, me tell her me no want it. And she bring it cause she knows I'm an artist. That are the truth, so right now me cut it talking.
So, he must say she bring the youth cause she knows I'm an artist.
And she bring
left that.
Bring it cause she knows I'm an artist. That are the truth, so right now me cut it talking. Come in on my zone and I chill. Tell the vlog I me no care what you think. Up on the tour me a cruise and a drift. And my life me a live. And I say me a king. In on my zone and I chill. Tell the vlog I me no care what you think. Up on the tour me a cruise and a drift. And my life me a live. And I say me a king.
No smoking, please. No smoking in the studio. No smoking.
The youth innocent though, bro. Please, I'm gonna fix it, dog. Ice Screen Record. So you tell me say I produce that one here too. Scorpion Entertainment. Okay. Dog, gonna fix it, brother. Gonna fix it. My advice to you, Silk, fix it, bro. Try and fix it somewhere. Try to get some sort of arrangement to see your youth. You see me? Cause the youth them a grow, brother, and the youth them are the future. Just try your best, bro. Obviously, if you keep on walling out, then there's not much you can do. You see me? Cause number one, and then a different country. So just I don't know, yeah, man. I just hope it get better for the youth's sake. And like I said from the start, I'm not gonna sit down and bash you and tell you say, yo, you're pussy or you're this and you know mind the youth or rare. Dog, a 4 baby mother me have, so me know how the struggle goes sometimes, you see me? But yo, big up all and baby mother them see me. Big up yourself, Silk. Big up yourself, bro. Continue push out, bro. We need some more songs from your door, bro. You see me? We need some more work from your door, my G. You see it? But yeah, big up yourself. This time I'm gonna leave the one still. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip on earth.